Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope you are very fine. Okay, and let us start our class. Today we will discuss rational number. Okay, what is rational number? The number of the form p by q where p and q are integers and q not equals to 0 are called rational number. Try to understand. The number of the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equals to 0. Okay, look here. 5 by 8. Can you see this one? 5 by 8. This 5 and 8 is here, but in place of 8 you can't write 0. In place of 8 you can't write 0. Okay. Did you understand? Look here. 0 is a rational number. 0 by 1. You can write 0 as 0 by 1. Okay. Did you understand? 2 is a rational number because you can write 2 as 2 by 1. 3 you can write 3 by 1. Okay. Now what is positive number? In rational number p by q, if p and q both are positive or both are negative, that means in rational number numerator and denominator are both positive, either positive or negative, then we can say this one as a positive rational number. Then what is negative rational number? A rational number is said to be a negative if its numerator and denominator are such that one of them, that means numerator or denominator, any one of them is a positive integer and other is a negative integer. Is a positive integer and other, that means here look here 4 by 7. Here it is 4 by 7. Numerator is minus 4 but denominator is 7. Numerator is 7 but denominator is minus 9, negative. That means they will be negative integer, negative rational number. If anyone, either numerator or denominator, any one of them is negative, then it will be negative rational number. Okay, standard form. What is standard form? Look here. You should write if p by q, a rational number p by q is said to be in standard form if q is positive and p and q have no common divisor other than 1. Did you understand what did they say? Look, p by q. Okay, look here, 2 by 3. Here I am discussing this 2 by 3. Here 2 and 3, there is no common factor between 2 and 3. And 3 is here positive. Okay, 3 is positive. Then it will be standard form. Okay, did you understand? Okay, now look this one. Minus 39 by minus 65. This one not in standard form. This one is not standard form. Minus 65 should be plus 65. Then what will we do? We will multiply this one minus 1 and minus 1. Both sides will multiply by minus 1. Then it will be, the denominator will be positive. That means in standard form, in case of rational number, if you want to make it standard form, there should be no negative denominator. There should not be no negative denominator. It should be positive denominator. Okay, understood? Now, okay, here show that these two, did you understand? Example 6, show that minus 18 by 24 and minus 3 by 4 are equivalent rational number. What will you do? We will multiply minus 18 and 4 and this one 24 and minus 3. What will you get? Look here. Minus 18 by 4 will be minus 72. Did you get it? And 24 minus 3 minus 20. Both are equal. Then we can say these two rational numbers are equivalent rational number. Okay. Did you get it? Look. Question number 2. Exercise 2A. Question number 2. What is written there? Which of the following rational number? Which of the following are rational number? Look here. Which of the following are rational number? Look, 8 by 0. Can you see this one? 6. Question was 8 by 0 is not rational number because denominator should not be 0 in rational number. Denominator should not be 0 in rational number. This one also 0 by 0 is not a rational number. This one rational number because here denominator is 8, non-zero number, but numerator is 0. That's why you can say this one is a rational number. Understood? Okay. Okay, then question number 4. Which of the following are positive rational number? Look, here it is only minus 8 by minus 11. Both are negative, then cancel each other, it will be positive. Look, 0, look here very carefully. 0 by 8 is not a positive rational number because 0 neither positive nor negative. You know, 0 is neither positive nor negative. That's why you can't say this one is a positive rational number. Did you understand? And question number 5 come. Which of the following are negative rational number? Which of the following are negative rational number? Okay, look here. Question number 3, minus 21, rational number. Yes? And question number 1, minus 60 by 5. This one is a rational number. Okay? Look, here is an example. Find x such that minus 5 by 8 and minus x by 48, minus 5 by 8 and x by minus 48 are equivalent. We have, look, have they done? They cross multiply 8 into x here and equal to minus 5 into 48. Then they have find out the value of x, minus 5 into minus 48 divided by 8. Ultimately they got 30. Understood this one? Okay. Now we will learn what is additive inverse. Okay. Look, additive inverse of a rational number. Can you see this one? Additive inverse of a rational number. The additive inverse of a by b is minus a by b. Look, additive inverse of any rational number should be the negative of this particular rational number. Look, if you try to find out additive inverse of 2, then it will be minus 2. If the additive inverse of minus 2, it should be plus 2. Additive inverse of minus 3, plus 3. Additive inverse of 7, it's minus 7. That means the rational number, the original number, and the additive inverse of this number, if you add this one, it should be 0. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Do you understand? Yes? Okay. Look here. If I discuss question number, exercise 2D, find the additive inverse of 9. Find the additive inverse of 9. Did you understand? Then what it will be? Additive inverse of 9 is minus 9. Question number 2, additive inverse of minus 11 will be 11 plus 11. Okay. Then additive inverse of minus 8 by 13 will be plus 8 by 13. Okay. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. What is multiplicative inverse or reciprocal? Multiplicative inverse is a by b equals to b by a. Multiplicative inverse of a by b is b by a. That means it will change. Look here, 11 by 5 is there. 11 by 5. What would be the multiplicative inverse of 11 by 5? It will be 5 by 11. And this one, minus 6 by 17, it will be minus 17 by 6. Okay? Very good. Now, okay. Now look, the product of one example we can see the product of two rational number is 44 by 45. If one of them is minus 11 by 9, find the other. So what will let the other number be x? Then 11 by 9 minus 11 by 9 into x equals to 44 by 45. Then this one they have done x equals to 44 by 45 divided by minus 11 by 9. Then they find it out. 44 by 45 into reciprocal of minus 11 by 9, that will be 9 by 11. Ultimately they got minus 4 by 9. Hence the required number is minus 4 by 9. Okay. Then we'll solve some problem. Okay. next session we will solve some problem. Look here. Exercise 2C, okay. Exercise 2C, question number 4. Evaluate 3 by plus minus 7 by 8 plus minus 3 by 4. What you will get? Second line 3 by 1 minus 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4. You should take the LCM of 4 and 8. LCM 4 8 will be 8. Then it will be 24. 3 8 is 24. Then minus 7 and minus 6. Then 17, 24 minus 7, 17 and then minus 6, 17 minus 6, it will be 11 by 8. Okay. Now come to the exercise 2D. Exercise 2D. Question number 3. Evaluate. Subtraction. It is subtraction. Okay. 11 by 15 minus 13 by 20. Now LCM of 15 and 20 will be 60. Okay. It will be 60. LCM of 15 is 60. It is 60. Now divide this one. 60 by 15 you get 4. Then 4 into 11. 4 into 11 will be 44. Same way, if you divide 60 by 20 you will get 3 and 13 3 is 39. Then 44 minus 39, 44 minus 39 you get 5 by 60. You cancel each other, you get 1 by 12. Understood? Now exercise 2D. Exercise 2D, question number 7. Let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. You read the question carefully. Okay. Exercise 2D, question number 7. What is written there? Question number 7, look here. What should be added to minus 5 6 to get minus 2 by 3? What should be added to minus 5 by 6 to get minus 2 by 3? Okay, let the required number be x, then minus 5 by 6 plus x equals to minus 2 by 3, then x equals to 5 by 6 plus minus 2 by 3, then ultimately adding and subtracting you will get 1 by 6. Subtracting this one you will get 1 by 6. Now question number, exercise 2E, question number 4E. Simplify, okay. Question number 3. Look here. Simplify this. 6 by 25 into minus 15 by 8 minus 13 by 100 into minus 20 by 26. Look, we have done it here. This 15 and 25 will cancel by 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25 and 5 3 is 15. Then it will be 2 3 is 6. 2 4 is 8. 3 into 3 minus 9. Did you get it? 3 into 3 minus 9 and 5 into 4 20. And here, look, 25 and 100 cancel each other by 4 and 13 to the 6. Then it will be here 8 minus 1 by 8. Then minus and minus will be plus. Then minus 9 by 20 plus 1 by 8. It will be minus 18 plus 5. Ultimately minus 13 by 40. Okay. I hope you have understood a little bit. Okay. If you have any problem, if you can't solve any question, you may contact me. There is no problem. Anytime you may contact me. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.